Does it matter when it actually peaks, or does it matter where it settles at over the medium to long term that matters most when it comes to your investment thesis?
Yeah, I think it's more about the longer term, and I think we're going to see it settle higher than historically average over the last 10 years, that's for sure. 3% core, I would say, would be healthy for Australia moving forward, but I don't see it hanging around these peaks for a long time. You see energy obviously is a big factor. I expect that to work itself out over the next 6 to 12 months. And I'm not saying oil is going to crash or dive. I think it will just settle into a lower highs. And then food obviously is a big one here in Australia, and we're basically our own food bowl here in Australia. We produce enough food for 75 million people, and we produce about 85% of what we consume. So those floods, etc., at the start of the year had a big impact on us, especially on our fresh food. That will work itself out towards the end of the year. So they're the two main sticking points. And obviously you got power problems at the moment, power increases on the wholesale side that will flow through to the consumer soon. Fortunately, power generally isn't a huge part of the household budget. It's around 8 to 10%. Whereas, food and mortgage are around the 50 to 60% household budget. But we've got to remember too, inflation is deflationary in itself. If inflation hangs around too high for too long, it's going to suppress demand, give supply a chance to catch up, and prices will eventually subside.